Hi friends, now we are going to talk about how we can find what are the different um, customizing tables that are being read behind a transaction code. So how will I know it? So if I go to ANST, okay, this is the transaction code we have. And suppose I want to go to this transaction, suppose it is ME23N. Okay, and here I'll just execute this, okay, and I need to give a description here. I'll give test and I'll execute. Okay, once I execute this, and I'll just suppose I want to see all the customizing table behind this transaction code. So I hit the back button, and once I hit the back button, okay, it will create this trace and all those things. And after that, what happens is if I go here and if I go, okay, this will take me to the same place. Okay, so this one takes some time. Once this gets activated, I get the dump out and all those details. I can click on the customizing table. So this may take some time. So what I'm going to do is probably I'll go to another transaction in ST and here, and you can do this for programs. You can do for business application, BSP application, which is like the Fiori things also, because nowadays the Fiori apps, most of the Fiori apps have BSPs that has been delivered. Okay, and then you have web template application, you have CRM, UI frame, and all those things which you can still use. Okay, so let me see whether this completes. Okay, so this is still completing. I have both running, so it's at 96%. So the moment we get that thing, and let's see in the object customizing what we can do. So in the object customizing, basically you shouldn't change it. Um, Here it tells out what are the different types of visualization or the stuffs that is the trace is on. So here you can see it's for class, programs, function models, function group, you name it. Okay, let me see. And if you want to search for, this tool looks for speed correction notes, and you can search notes from here also. So but for that you have to have your system hooked up with SAP. Okay, so let me see, this didn't show up. Okay, this showed up now. So here you can see all these things. What you have to do is you click on customizing table. Okay, the moment you hit class customizing table, you can see these are all the different tables that it's referring to. So when they went to that purchase order screen, so here you can see purchasing group and so on and so forth. If I double click on it here, this will take me to the different views that I can use for maintaining the purchasing group. So this is very handy, and if you see, you can put other things. Then there is purchase organization. If you double click, it will take you to the place where you can maintain purchase organization. Release group, here are all the different processes of releases things are there. And now if you want to see other stuffs, financial stuffs, what are the, so this is very important because this tells you what are the integration point between finance and purchasing, if you notice. So the finance have the thing about company code, and you have other things, and the fund management piece is there. For sure, company code falls now under finance. Okay, then we can see what is there for controlling. So if I go to controlling, you have this component install component, or I don't know much about this. So if you want to see cross application stuff, you have plants, and so you have different stuffs that you will come to know which portion belongs to which module. Okay, so this is very helpful. And then if you want to go here, you can see there is enhancements. That's further, that's a switch enhancement, that's different. But here you can see SD have these things, business partner functions and all those things. So this is very, very important. And if you want to see further for inventory management, you have the configuration and all those things. So these are stuffs that you will be looking for, and in this way you can see what are the different components that are attached to what are the integration point for for purchasing with other stuffs. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel and happy SAP learning. And if you like it, share and subscribe to it. And have a great day.